answer the questions in chapter 26.04.05 on reflection. First thing I'm going to do is use the line segment to build a square. So I'm going to click on the line segment. I'm going to just take a line and go there. I'm going to then do the same going this direction, the same going this direction, and then connect those. And now I've got a 2.83 by 2.83 square. I'm now going to undo the labels of the lines, and now I'm going to do the first reflection, and it asks to have a mirror line going from B to D. So I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to put my mirror line in there. And what we're trying to see is what happens to points that are on that line, what happens to the area, the angles, all of that sort of stuff. So what I'm anticipating, if I reflect this square through that line, that these 2 points should swap over, but these 2 points should stay the same. So I'm going to now highlight this square, and I'm going to reflect it through this line here. And you can see now that if I undo A and C, you can see that the points A and C have flopped. So now if I just undo all of those again and go back to my original A, B, C, D and do the next reflection. So there's A, B, C, D. So the next reflection was through the line CD, which is right here. So again, I can use my line tool. I can put that through there. And what I would anticipate happening this time is that C and D would stay there. And these two, the square should just come straight over the mirror line. So I'm going to highlight the square again. I'm going to press the reflect through a line, and I'm going to click on that. As you can see, A has come over here, B has come over here, but these 2 points have stayed the same. And again, I can show that by just unclicking on C and D, and now you can see that the reflected lines have come up. So I can get rid of those points now. And now what I can do is the final reflection. So I can go back to my points A, B, C, and D. And this time they wanted us to reflect through the point AD, which would be this one here. And of course, A and D are going to stay where they are, and the square is going to get reflected up into this. So B will become B1 here, and C will become C1 on the line there. So I'm going to highlight that and carry that out. I'm going to reflect it through that line, and you can see that that happens. Okay. In the other questions, they ask you to draw shapes. The first one is a compound quadrilateral. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to draw that. So I'm going to go from here to here, here to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. And there's my polygon. I'm then asked to reflect that through the two lines N and M, so N is already in there. So now I can just click on that, click that, and that's what happens there. And the other one is if I put the line going from here to here, and I then do the reflection through that line. So you can see that T has moved to T1, S has moved to S1, R has moved to R1, Q has moved there, and in this one Q's come down to, or O's come down to O1, T's come down to T1 here. So that's how you can use GeoGebra to look at those sorts of questions.